right, part 31 here. I'm working on the teeth of the allegorical sea monster on viewer's right here. I'm thinking I need to do teeth that would make the character in a Dustin Hoffman and Laurence Olivier movie, Marathon Man. Laurence Olivier plays this mad Nazi dentist, kind of not dissimilar to Trump, who's a madman and inveterate liar. Anyway, make that character in that movie, Laurence Olivier, the character played by Laurence Olivier, Shudder. Yeah, like, yeah, you got it. That's right, Dr. Chi. Thank you. I have a great art critic over there, director of the Berkey Museum, Dr. Chi. Thank you, Dr. Chi. I appreciate your feedback. All right.